part one of the engine rebuild on Boschy's 308. Enjoy the show and I'll commentate in between. Here we go. Yep, pull her off.
We still got a bolt in on your side?
Negative.
No?
Negative.
Because my side has let go, as you can see. But for some reason...
Check the back of your side.
Nothing.
Back of your side.
Nothing.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Thanks.
Pink towel.
Couple of rags, here we go. This is the least what I didn't want.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Especially when I rented.
I know.
That's right, I'm not mad, it's just, I should have fucking moved it. Where you fucking go? Yeah, roll it over. Right, today we're de-ridging the bores. Basically I've already done that one. I haven't done this one or that one yet. But yeah, you can sort of see a ridge in the bore that I've got to try and get out. Well, this is what my ridge reamer looks like. It's got some cutter edges on there and it slowly pulls up the bore on that thread, and on the inside of there you'll see like a screw that you got to tighten up. That puts the pressure on the cutter blades to de-ridge the bores. So it is a very primitive cutter tool that I've had for, yeah, like I just said previously, probably 25 years. Used it once before, but it was freaking long ago. And basically, yeah, I'm sure there's better technology out there now, but it works. That good lube that we all love, and here we go. Just gotta go slowly. You'll feel it sort of get to a point where it starts to dig in, and then you just go for it. Kind of nerve-wracking because you don't want to booger things up, you know. might take one pass, maybe 2 passes. But you'll get the idea of what I'm doing here. I've had this ridge remover tool for probably about 25 years and I've probably only used it once before. But still handy to have around, eh? Breathing heavier than a car guy at a car show. That's freaking not bad. I reckon the rest of it will come out with a hone. As you can see, got metal shavings now. Metal shavings. Metal shavings. I call that a win. Well, here we are. The long block is, I mean the short block is all together. All the cams in, lubed up, all pretty like. Bores are all done. Pistons are in. Sumps on. Timing cover's on, so I'm pretty happy about that. So next video you will see the heads being put back together and heads going on. Till next time, skid's not over until it's on rims.